So it's time to get our hands dirty. But before jumping into code, let me show you what you'll be building. This is a one-to-one video conference app, and the first thing we will do is enter a room name and then click go. I have two browsers open just so you can see how these can communicate. This one is Firefox and this one is Google Chrome. So the first thing we would do is enter a room name and then click on go. We're going to allow the access to the media devices. And then we're going to do the same in the other browser. We're also going to accept the permissions. And there you have it. Now, let's see what's happening under the hood. When the user 1 joins the call, it sends a message to the signaling server, which in turn creates a new room. A room is where communication happens. Think of it as the wire that connects the participants in a call. Our application will be composed by multiple rooms where each room will host a different call. User 1 specifies the room by typing its name. If such a room doesn't exist, then it is created and user 1 receives a notification. User 1 then gets his media devices using the API and then sets himself as the caller. When user 2 joins an existing room, same as with user 1, it gets notified and gets access to his media devices, but also sends a ready message to the signaling server, which retransmits such message to user 1. At this point, both users create a peer connection object and a data channel, and then the signaling begins. User 1 creates an offer, sends it to user 2 through the signaling server. User 2 processes the offer and creates an answer. Then it sends such answer back to user 1, who also processes it. At the same time, both peers exchange ICE candidates in a similar fashion. User 1 gets an ICE candidate, sends them to the other user, who processes it. Then when he gets his own ICE candidates, send them back to user 1, who also processes it. After this exchange, both peers know where to find each other and are able to initiate the call. Okay, let's jump in with this example. When you're ready, move to the next lesson.